Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to calculate loan affordability before using Lendio. Before applying for funding through Lendio, it's smart to check what you can realistically afford. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Lendio account and then use the built-in loan calculator tool. You can find that under the resource or loan options section. Now enter the desired loan amount as well as the estimated interest rate and repayment terms. Review the projected monthly payments amount generated and compare this figure with your business monthly net income, that's of course after expenses. Ensure loan payments don't exceed 30% of your free cash flow. Adjust loan amounts or terms in the calculator until the payment fits comfortably. Factor in seasonal fluctuations if your business has, variable revenue. Once confident, proceed to the full application knowing the number works. Running this calculation first helps to avoid overborrowing and ensures that you only take on debt that your business can realistically manage. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.